I just got another job. It's a 2015 Mazda 3. It's silver. It's to put the spare on once again. It says the vehicle's in a parking lot. And then the location is somewhere in Irvine. It says we'll be there in 52 minutes, 38 miles away. So around, it's 4:32 p.m. right now. It says we'll get there at 5:24 p.m. Hopefully. Just got to the location. I'm gonna call the customer. Oh, hello, are you Natalie?
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Sorry, I didn't see you guys right there.
Okay.
Could you please back up the car just a little bit? Because I need to be able to get right there. I don't think there'll be enough space. Just where the tire's gonna be, like right here, okay? Thank you, man. A little bit more, please. Keep going, keep going. More. Keep going, keep going, keep going. More. That should be good right there. Thank you. Sorry about the wait, guys. It's kind of far. Traffic over here is bad.
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to see, but I don't see anything.
Any sidewalk damage or
I don't know, I was driving home from work when it happened, and I got like a notification on my car, and then I was driving plenty, and then I pulled into here, and then I saw that it was flat, but I don't know if I ran over something or what it was.
Yeah, I don't see anything, but you're gonna need a new tire for sure. Did you hit anything?
I don't know. I didn't feel like I did. I just heard like inside the car made a loud noise, like a beep, and then the thing flashed.
Yeah, that's
and then
true.
I started driving kind of funny, but
yeah, I don't see anything. Sorry. Is the car locked? Excuse me. Just gonna grab the spare tire. Thank you.
drive with that tire?
As long as you need to, really. It's not recommended to keep going for a long time, but
I can't go on the freeway with it, right?
honestly, you're not supposed to go over 50.
Okay.
So if you have to, then you know, put your hazards on. But if you could go around, go around.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it in the morning. And the ribbon's kind of closed right now, but I'm gonna stay with side streets to get home.
Yeah, 'cause this tire is freaking tiny.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, so this is called the heat ring. So that happens when the tire goes flat and you're driving it for a certain amount of time. All the friction.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's damaged.
Yeah. So it's damaged after the fact of it being
Okay.
flat. Yeah, but if you're gonna get another tire, or if you have a warranty, you know, use your warranty. Yeah, but if not, if you're gonna get another tire, don't get Toyos. They don't really last that long. They're more like street tires. And they're expensive still. You guys are all set.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Have a good one. Okay, drive safe.